It's sunny. It's sunny in Van.
And before we wrap up, let's talk about something fun and delicious happening in Abbotsford, the Taste of Abbey Fall Food Festival. From September 13th to 22nd, our beautiful city will be celebrating the rich flavors, diverse culinary creations, and incredible local ingredients that make Abbotsford a food lover's paradise. It will be a 10-day extravaganza during which you can savor unique culinary experiences crafted at the peak of the harvest season. Whether you're a foodie or just looking to explore something new, the Taste of Abbey Festival has something for everyone. So grab your friends, family, or foodie club and head to the Taste of Abbey Fall Food Festival. Let's celebrate the fall harvest together, savor new flavors, and support our local culinary talents.
Join us on this journey to find your dream home in Vancouver.